Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Digis Site, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Expedia for flights. So first of all, launch Expedia app, then make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now at the home page you'll see the option of flights. So if you tap on that option of flights, you will come to this page where you can select various options according to your choice. You can select the category of round trip, one way, and even you can select the option of multi-city. So for now, I'm going to choose the category of one way. Then all you have to do is choose the city or airport from where you are flying from. So I'm going to choose this location. Then you have to select your destination. So I'm going to search the name of an airport. Here we go. Now select the departure date according to your preference. So I'm going to select this date right over here, that is the 28th, and tap on done. Then I'm going to select the number of travelers. You can choose adults, youths, children, or even infants who are flying with you. So I'm going to tap on this option of 2 and then tap on the option of done. Now select your preferred class. So for now, I'm just going to choose the option of economy. If you wish to, you can choose any of these options. Now, after you have entered in all your details, tap on the option of search at the bottom of your screen. Now, after this, you will come across various results of flights. So you can choose any of these options. You can also see the cheapest mentioned on top. Now select any of these flight, and also you can see the name of the airlines. You can choose any of these options and also see the prices accordingly. So for now, I'm going to choose this option. You can also swipe and see other various options as well for this flight and location. Now I'm going to tap on this option of select. Now once you come to this page, you'll see other various details. You can see the price of seats, and also you can see other various details here. Now at the bottom you can see the trip total amount of your flight. If you tap on the option of checkout, you will successfully be able to book yourself a flight. And that's how simply you can use Expedia for flights. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.